We're taking a look at the Octopus, the 8-in-1 tech tool. All-in-one screwdriver, nut driver, and hex wrench. Protects and maintains your instrument and sound. A must-have for every instrument case. Perfect for tightening output jacks, perfect for tightening tuning machines and bushings, perfect for adjusting screws, perfect for tightening control pots. So this will definitely work more, or had be more beneficial if you had an electric guitar, but you can also use it for the acoustic. Let's see here. Here we have the screwdriver with the Phillips and the flathead screwdriver part of it. And here it says that this is 1/2 inch. It's a little hard to see in the camera, but it's 1/2 inch. And here on the bottom we have the different type of hex wrenches you can use. It's a 12 millimeter. What's that? 14 millimeter. 7 3/13 of an inch and 1/2 inch, and then we got the 10 millimeter at the top. Says it's made out of ballistic nylon to avoid scratching your hardware or finish. Feels like hard plastic, but with the, like that steel brush you get on some of the metals, kind of feels, has that feel to it. It is 6-inch design. Doesn't feel too heavy. Nice little balance to it. Yeah, let's see what else we have here. There's a narrow 1/2 inch wrench that tightens tele cups. Wrenches are made with strong ballistic nylon, reversible Phillips, and flathead screwdriver design. The product story here says, forget lugging around a bunch of screwdrivers, nut drivers, and wrenches when the Octopus 8-in-1 tech tool can handle the job. MusicNomad patent pending, innovative design is perfect for tightening or loosening output jacks, control pots, tuning machines, bushings, and screws. It features both Phillips #1 and flathead screwdriver with our reversible shaft design, and it's engineered for the most popular hex wrench sizes, and it gets the sizes. Then remove the screwdrivers and use the 1/2 inch narrow profile hex wrench for tightening sunken pots or tele cups. And just say no to metal. Our hex wrenches are made with strong ballistic nylon material that can handle any job without the worry of scratching your hardware or finish. Small in size, but big in results. Our 6-inch or 15 centimeters overall length is a must-have for every instrument case. The Octopus is for musical instruments only. Some key parts of your instrument may need adjusting. We suggest every time you change your strings or do a quick check, the hex wrench can slide over output jacks, control pots, and tuning machine bushings. Take the time to find the correct wrench size for the job. A snug fit is better than a loose fit. Remember, righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. To avoid damaging your instrument and the Octopus, do not over-tighten. Just go a little past hand tight. Make sure the hex wrench is secure around all sides of the hex nut when tuning. Phillips and flathead screwdrivers can adjust more screws found on the instrument. The screwdriver is removable to the reverse screwdriver type. Also, completely removing the screwdriver and use the 1/2 inch hex wrench for the telecups, jacks, and sunken pots, which means this part. So let's get a little demonstration using the Nomad brush tool set here, just to clean it off a little bit. Our string winder by MusicNomad. Make it a little easier on ourselves. Let's tighten it up with the 10 millimeter side. Why are all these so loose? Anyway, here we go. So just a little bit past hand tight. All right. See, even though I see these little marks on there, but at least it protects the guitar. That's what matters. Check the guitar. All right, that's all tightened up. And this has been the MusicNomad, the Octopus all-in-one screwdriver, nut driver, and hex wrench.